Morning everyone, and welcome to Trading Analysis on the 17th of November 2021. There was quite a bit of movement in the market the last few days. So let's quickly jump into the charts and see if there's anything to worry about. On the weekly scale, you can see that there was quite a big drop this week so far. If you take from the peak from last week to where we are right now, that drop is already 15% on Bitcoin. So that is significant. If you had 100,000 Rand invested, you would have approximately 85,000 Rand now. And that is something people generally worry about. In crypto, this is not uncommon. You can see there's plenty of these big red candles that come in the middle of a bull run. For example, if you look at this this candle here, you can see that candle alone is also 24%. So this is not completely uncommon. So this candle has pulled back and it's now resting on the support zone over here, and that is in a way a healthy price action for now, as long as it stays above the support. So in this green zone, I think the bottom of this green zone is about $58,000. If we can stay above this would be a positive. It does mean that it was just a bit of a flush out. Breaking below it, I think our next support would be the 21 moving average, which is at $52,000. On the daily, there's a little bit more positive signs. You can see at the moment the daily has made higher lows. So at the moment we are still making higher lows with quite rapidly lower lows on the RSI. So that divergence is quite positive. So looking at that, consolidating at the all-time high with making lower lows divergence on the RSI, I think that is quite a positive signal for now. So as long as we can stay above the support area, we should be bullish still. Breaking down below this, once again, our target on the 200-day moving average could be anywhere between $45,000 and $50,000. That would change the picture dramatically. So for now, I'm just going to stick with my bullish bias, and I'm just going to say that I'm expecting this divergence to play out for us. On the 4-hour, we just had a 4-hour 9 candle, which was a nice reversal candle that got invalidated, unfortunately. But we are heavily oversold on the RSI. From the longs versus shorts, you can see that from the all-time high, the longs got liquidated, and there was actually more shorts than longs for a moment. But interestingly, just see how these longs are just popping up. People are super bullish. I mean, you know, the price has just fallen 15% and people are going long. So that is testament to the market. If you look at the on-chain analysis, in the last week, you can see that most of the days the funds flow was coming into exchanges, which correlated to the price coming down. But now yesterday, we see a big amount of crypto suddenly leaving exchanges. And see, last time a big amount left, the price pumped up, and here we go again. There's a negative at the moment. Fear and greed is back to neutral, which is great. It was completely extreme greed a few days ago, and that's exactly what the whales want in order to liquidate everyone. So back to neutral is exactly where we want to be before we go for our next leg up. XRP took an absolute hammering with the rest of the market. It's back down to the 21-week moving average, so that has found support on there. So that is a positive. On the daily scale, it's still in this triangle and has now found support on this upwards trend line. So I think that's also a good place to possibly look at going long. Breaking below this line and breaking below the 200-day moving average is going to be problematic. On the 4-hour, same scenario. RSI is completely oversold, stochastic at the bottom. We're starting to see longer wicks to the bottom, so those are signs of exhaustion from the bears, and let's hope that is the case for now. But here is the catalyst of all of it, the US dollar. The US dollar is on a bollocking run. It's now on a daily 7, so we can expect 2 or 3 more days of upside. This head and shoulders playing out completely. If this trend continues, crypto is going to take a hammering. So what we need from the US dollar is to have a pullback, maybe down to test the support zone so that cryptos can recover. On the bot trading front, trading your 30-minute chart on your 30-minute 30 RSI and 70 sell. It seems like it is still the best strategy at the moment. You would have bought over here, sold over there. You would have missed this last little peak, then you would have bought around here somewhere, and you would have sold up there. Not the greatest trade, but it would have been in a profit, and now somewhere along here, around there, you would have bought again. So right now your bot would appear to be in a loss, but you've had your buy signal. So trusting this channel, trusting this range should be the order of the day until we break below it and start to panic. In conclusion, all I can say is that this pullback was, at this stage, is still healthy, with the fear and greed index back to neutral and the longs and shorts back into a place where the whales are not really motivated to liquidate everyone. This could potentially have been the pullback that we require so that we can have another leg up. If you like this content, please like and subscribe, or follow us on Twitter. Thank you very much.